What is up, guys? Welcome to my PC build known as the upgradable. This is $326 US. Let's get right into this with the processor. The processor is actually an APU from AMD and is the A10 7850K 3.7 GHz quad-core processor coming in at $114.99. Not much to say about this. It's a really good processor APU from AMD. Moving on to the motherboard, the ASRock FM2 A16M DG3 Micro ATX FM2 motherboard coming in at $44.99. Not much to say about this motherboard, just an all-around really decent motherboard and fits our build. So for the memory, I went with one stick of 8 GB of Crucial RAM DDR3 1600 coming in at $20.99. So this one stick can help us have more upgradable parts, add us more sticks of RAM later on if you decide to upgrade, which you should, because that's kind of what this is all about. For the storage, I'm going for the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB, 3.5-inch, 7200 RPM internal hard drive. This costs $49.89, and I really recommend this. Very good for any build. Western Digital is a very good hard drive company. For the case, I've gone for the NZXT Source 210 Black ATX mid-tower case coming in at $36.99. Not much to say about this. I think you can have up to 6 fans, and I think it only comes with 1 fan. So yeah. So we also decided to get a case fan, which is the Corsair Air Series AF 120 Red 52.2C FM 120mm fan coming in at $12.44, which it is red. So if you come with a more red and black setup, this is, pretty good. So yeah, and for the power supply, we're getting a Corsair CX 500W 80 plus bronze certified semi modular ATX power supply coming in at $37.98. Probably wondering, 500 watts. Wow, that's a lot to power this, which does not take a lot to power. Since this is a very upgradable PC, we want a lot of power. So if you upgrade in the future, you're going to be able to just not have to upgrade that until you get more, until you need more, and then you can upgrade it. So yeah, that's really all for this, and not much to really say about this, and it's very upgradable in my opinion. So I do highly recommend this, and that is the actual build that costs $126. Now I do recommend stuff that is out of the build, like the operating system. I think should be Windows 8 Professional, because I think that's better than Windows 7, but it's not. Windows 7 is better, but Windows 8 is newer, so more games coming out will support that, and eventually they'll stop supporting Windows 7. Well, I mean, you can always upgrade, but I mean, as long as you have that and you can play games, it's good until you need to upgrade. Also, highly recommending Astro A50s or other headsets that you may like, and Razer products are always nice and always very flashy with your friends. So yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.